Got a 2016, 17, 13, 16, 17 Ford Fusion. So we're gonna run it right here. So basically I'm gonna start off in the back, and then in the speaker we're gonna hook up the white and green for positive, and the other one, I'm not sure what color it is, to the speaker. From that speaker, go to the back of the amp to the line out converter. So in order to remove this, we're gonna take it out right there. There's a clip down here. You push it to one side, to the right side, I believe, and then you can lift it up like so right here. See that? When you release it, it opens like that. That's how you're gonna pop this open and run the wire through by pulling the clip. Be careful not breaking the plastic. So we got this clip out, and mainly the clip one right here and clip one right there, that two right there, but mainly right here. Got to pry that out. Now we're going to try to get this out the way, and this is a little bit harder. Take a pry and kind of loose, shake it a little bit. Do not pull it too far. And then see this clip, and put your other hand over here on the other side. Got that clip out. Waiting for the other clip over there. Walking back. Right there, you can see this clip right there. Just pry it out and it come out. Right there. Take these out. Put them in a safe place. And I want to show you how to run the power wire. So I take a blade and cut this cloth, what you call it, they call it black, not black tape, cloth tape I called it, but white, green is positive, and gray, brown, yellow is negative. So I got the red and black wire. So red is positive, I'm hooking up to white and green. I use T-tap, guys. This T-tap is probably the best. I've been using this over 20 years, and I never have any complaint, or never had anybody come and say, oh, it came loose or anything like that. Now if you use the U-Haul type, I don't know, for some reason, I don't know if this car got a leak. It's got a wet spot right here a little bit, so I'm not sure what it is. So he took the 10mm out here, and then he's gonna run it out here. I don't know why he's doing that right here. It should be inside here. So right here I sanded it right there to the bare metal, and you got like about less than an inch, so I wouldn't use any screw that's too long. There's a little hole, rubber hole, but you cannot damage that if you just put a regular 1/2 inch salt type of screw. This is a smaller amp, so I'm not gonna try to use anything heavy gauge, anything. Not heavy gauge, as a heavy duty ground. Put another one like so. Take the ground output speaker wire we ran from the mid-range, put it back together just like so. Would usually check a spade terminal. A lot of them, new amp doesn't require these, so I'm using a spade terminal right here. Power and ground. I need a line out converter. So what I did, I put the black wire with the ground together to the ground right there, and then I'm put the spade terminal right here to the power, and then remote to the remote. In my case, this is too loose. It's not a perfect size. See how it's loose like this? What I'm gonna stick this short one. You don't want it too long. It might hit the other grounds, and especially with this is 12 volt. You want to put it about that much, and you want to push it in. Hopefully got some good grip. Hopefully, okay. And don't use a drill if you're not used to drill like that. So I got about that much. I'm gonna try to squeeze it through. Might have to add some more if it doesn't work, because that thread is too small for it. See, it's too loose, a little bit loose. I'm gonna put another one on there. Not another one, but I'm gonna try this way. really it need a right thread. So I'm gonna put it like this, U it like this, so it's got a thicker for the thread. See, you didn't have the right thread. Actually, I might have one of these right here in the screw. Managed to get it tight enough where it won't move right here, and then I got the remote down here, and I got the white black, gray black. This is made by Kicker. It's called KISLOC 2, KISLOC 2. So basically, one with the black stripe is the negative, and one with the solid is positive. And then I got the black to the ground right here from here, and then the blue to the remote wire. And I'm gonna run this to the speakers, and then hook the RCA jack from here to there, depending on what kind of RCA jack you need. 3 foot or 1.5 is perfect. This is like a finished look. This is not like the best looking, but it's enough for the customer to enjoy the system. And when you close it, you got speaker over here. I mounted right there using a 1/2-inch screw and mounted in. This is tight right there. You gotta be careful on that one, but other than that, it's ready to go. And the power that I ran, I'm gonna show it to you. Move the seat back a little bit. It's this rubber boot right there. See that rubber boot right there, right by the boot. So when you poke it, you can use a coat hanger. It's gonna go up. It's gonna be, you don't have to take the battery out. When you push it, it should come through right there. Just make sure you're not poking and damage the wire. These are the 10mm that you need to use so it can tighten up. Make sure it's tight. And the ground right here, this is when he push it in, it looks like that, but it should be fine. Just make sure this thing ain't got, see, this guy right there. Need to tape this up a little bit because it can hit this ground right here.